Install the handles on both sides using M40 screws. Paste epoxy boards. Place the battery cells in the battery box in the positive and negative pole directions, and put an epoxy board outside the last battery. Stick the EVA cotton under the PCB bracket. Stick the EVA cotton under the PCB bracket, and install it above the battery using the M40 combination screw. Install the busbar. Install the series busbar on the pole. Use M40 round head screws to install the PCB board on the bracket. Install the acquisition wiring harness and the temperature sensing wiring harness. BMS BJ is connected to P. The fuse is installed between B and P. Plug the temperature control acquisition line into the side of the BMS, and attach the other end to the battery as needed. After connecting the wires properly and linking the upper cover display screen,